Hi, so I've had a few parents asking me about how to submit work. So when you go on Google Classroom, you've logged in, you click on our page, your class page, and then you go on classwork. And then, for example, some people have been struggling with the maths, so click on the maths, click on the first document that it wants you to fill out, and it should take you to this page. Now at the top, click Open with Google Docs. Just wait for that to load up. Okay, once that's loaded up, go to File in the top left corner, click New, Document, and it'll take you to a new tab. And here you can fill in your answers to the page that you're working on. So if you go back to there, and you look at the first question, so for example you're looking for the answer 2 add 7 is 9, so you could put question 2 is 9, so that's the answer. So that's how you can put in your answers. And then once you've done that, you can go back to your tab where you originally opened the document, and if you go back and then click View Assignment, and then it will come up with here with your work. Now this is what you've been assigned, but that's not the one that you've just edited. You need to add the one that you just edited. It will be on Google Drive, and it will be on your recent documents that's saved automatically. So it's the first one there, Maths Worksheet, Insert, and then you can click Hand In. I won't hand it in just now because then a child's work will be handed in to me that they haven't done. So all you need to do is click Hand In, and if you want to add any private comments to me or Miss Dodman, whoever's working from home that week, you can add them in this box here. Okay? And just one more quick note about if you want to rename your document so you know exactly which one to choose from Google Drive, you can click up here where it says, it wouldn't have said Maths Worksheet, it would have said something else, but if you just type in whatever you want to call it, maths, and then maybe the date today, and then you can just click off it, and that saves automatically. So you can click X, and then you can upload it. It will be there. It will be whatever the most recent one is. Okay, so you can just click that and insert, and then click Hand In.